हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हाउ यू डूइंग? क्या आपने सुना? हाँ, अभी तक नहीं सुना? वेल, लेट मी ब्रिंग दिस टू यू. Bakala Properties has been awarded by Keventer Group for the sales contribution we have made towards Keventer 1. Yes, so this happened yesterday on the 23rd of November 2024, being a Saturday. Just have a look. This really made our day. And not only this, they have given this beautiful box. Just imagine what's inside. Let me show it to you. This note with the 250-gram coin, 250 gram, ladies and gentlemen, and सोना जैसा दिख रहा है, but it is silver inside. So you were just wondering अंदर में क्या है, सोना है क्या? Just joking. And not only this, there was this huge hamper, this one, which they have given, and let me tell you what all was there inside. As starters, they have given this diary, which is very important. So whenever the clients call us for Keventer 1 schedule, तो लिखना तो पड़ेगा ना. And along with that, they said that in case you run out of battery in your mobile phones, don't worry, we are giving you a portable charger, C-type. मेरा phone में ये चल जाएगा. And apart from that, भैया, you need to also have your brochures in place, right? So there is this beautiful brochure inside this, which they have given. And the best part is this box, ladies and gentlemen. It's really very heavy, and let me show you what's inside this. So let's put the ribbon out. I'm sorry, this just took some time. And tada, just look at this. Can you see this? It's beautiful packaging. Just look at the finesse which is inside, and the detailing which they have done to this. And one by one, let me just open the first box for you. So what do we have here? Wow, this is a smartwatch by Boat. So just to keep track of our appointments and everything which we do. Thank you. And then so you can keep this in your backpack if you're a salesperson. So this is, obviously we are salespeople, so this, in case that runs out, this is already charged, so you can just plug in and you don't miss out on your appointments, do you? And और भी है. So what do we have here? Look at the package. I am really very intrigued with these kind of things. Wow, it's earpods by Boat. And there's something else also. What do we have here? Any guesses what this could be? Guesses? No? Let me show it to you. These are Bluetooth speakers for our entertainment. Thank you so much, Keventer, and so much of thought behind this, makes us feel really very privileged, and we are really very honored. And this goes without saying that the quality of construction and the kind of project which they are going to make is going to be amazing. Yesterday, Mr. Mayank Jalan, the chairman of Keventer Realty, has himself stated that their head offices will be there on the 38th floor. And if there is anything, obviously he is going to be there to help, which means that ऐसा कभी दिन जिंदगी में वो दिन नहीं आएगा that you have to go to the developer to complain about things. He is that confident, and we are also that confident. It's going to be a twin tower, G+39. There's a helipad, and there's a lot to talk about it. So just to give you a little synopsis on the project, this is on Strand Road as well as on NS Road. It's a huge project just near the GPO, or if you can say opposite to Writers Building. It's a corner plot. It's amazing. It has your gym, it has got your swimming pool, it has got your club, and you do this for your employees. The quality of employees, if you want, आपका business automatically बढ़ेगा. Trust me, I have seen this, I have faced this, and I have spoken to a lot of entrepreneurs, and everybody has to say this. And I'm sure you want to know more. Bakala Properties, your favorite realtor, is always there to assist you. The number is 9836 527860. Keventer 1 is a game changer for the entire Bada Bazaar area, and I'm sure you're going to make that call. We will do your professional guided visits, and all this is free. Don't think that we are going to charge you anything. Yes, we might charge you your smile, and I'm sure it's going to be worth it. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you Keventer management for showering so much of love. We feel really very blessed to have you on board with us. Thank you so much. Good day.